What's going on, guys? I wanted to make this video real quick because a lot of people are sending us packages and the books are either completely lost or damaged. Now, I know when you pack a box, it seems like the box is packed well, but if there's any bit of airspace, when the box is traveling through the carrier, they don't care about the box. They'll throw the box around and something happens. There's lots of boxes stacked on top of your box where everything just moves around, and if there's just a tiny bit of airspace, it can really screw things up. We've received empty boxes. We've received boxes with one book in it, and it's because people don't know how to pack boxes. And this is likely affecting your Amazon FBA business as well. Because if you have any bit of airspace, if you're not, there's a toilet paper, my lister is going to show you how to do it better, but if you do not pack that airspace up, you are losing a lot and a lot of profit. So watch this video. My lister, she did a great job. This is her mom of explaining, how to make sure the box is packed correctly. Without further ado, enjoy the video. Peace out, guys.
Hey, I'm going to show you how to pack a box the right way for books. One of the most important things is that you really strengthen the bottom of the box. I put 2 strips this way and 3 go in this way. That'll keep it nice and steady. When you're packing your box, you want to put the tallest books on the sides of the box, working in this way. So that's a nice tall one, the same size can go here. And then you just start loading them in. The paperback ones are a pain, but just keep loading. Make sure they stay nice and straight and they're tight. All right, just keep going. Make sure they're standing up. Make sure that the paperback ones are not bent in any way. Okay, and then the smaller ones go in the middle here. Okay, and that works great. Sometimes if you have a few extra, you can put them along this space here. Now, you take your packing material, pack it in here. It's really, really important that these books don't move during shipping, because that's how they arrive to move, and they're bent, and the spines are broken in some cases. Pages and covers are turned over. And so what we want to do, because we're not going to fill this box to the top with packing, it's a waste. We just want to make sure that we have enough in here to keep everything tight. I take my box cutter and cut up into the box. I need a new blade. But you go into the corner here, and cut the box that way. All 4 corners. Okay. You take your side pieces first, hold the books tightly, push it down. This one as well, hold tight, push them down. Okay, and you work on your sides. 1, push it down, and you have to use your hand, and there you go. This box is not going anywhere. It is very heavy, but you can see, you could stack these 5 high. The box will arrive with the books in great shape, no curled pages, and it just saves everybody the hassle. You want to do two strips on this side, again, just to make sure that this stays sealed. Go over the side about 4 to 6 inches so it doesn't lift. This box weighs 44 pounds, so we're going to come across this way and do 2 this way. And then you affix your label. It is a regulation that you do not, when you're shipping from your home, you do not put any labels here where the seam is. That one goes there, this one goes here. You tape them on, you're done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Grind hard, well done, sir. And welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones. A night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do. But selling's all about potential. And money speaks, then I'm the main act. I give a damn about the intro. A chain hangs in the building. Just to let them know the neck work.